The Mystic Minecraft made a comment in my ScreenFlow 8 video, and he wanted to know what can you do in regards to manipulating photos in this nonlinear editor. I feel like making a video tonight, and so Mystic, this one's for you. Stay tuned for the details. Well, here I am with the MOF, the Super Fluff, and it has been raining in Pennsylvania, and I'm not kidding, I'm talking about rain day after day, month after month for at least 4 months nonstop. It has actually been like a rainy season, jungle-like rain that just refuses to stop. I don't know why it's doing it, but the water table is off the hook. The sump pumps are running like crazy, and it just won't seem to stop. It's just it's getting almost crazy anymore. But anyway, let's dig into the manipulation of the images with ScreenFlow 8 so you can kind of get your head wrapped around what kind of power this thing has. All right, cool.